Imagine a tale full of wondrous creatures, daring adventures, and epic battles. This isn't a story that comes from the page or a silver screen or even someone's lips. It's a story that you create. No script, no limits, just creativity. This is Dungeons and Dragons. Well, my imagination created a bow-wielding, corset-wearing, blue-skinned, pointed-eared tiefling. What? I like blue. You can create something beautiful, a beauty that comes from within yourself, a unique, strong, powerful character, someone who loves a fight, hates authority, and can wield a little magic. Someone who believes in herself and is brave enough to go against the grain. Why can't our imaginations become real life? Has our world lost all of the beauty it once had? The uniqueness that made normal people legends? And a fearless love that could end any war. Even in the darkest of places, beauty can be found. A beauty that makes you fall in love with what is uniquely you. Maybe the character in our imagination is a mirror image of who we want to become. Imagine you being beautiful, unique, and loved. Oh, and a couple of dice won't hurt. Okay, so let's start this tutorial out right with a Ravenclaw coffee mug. So we're going to go in with the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, as well as the Can't Stop Won't Stop and Angelville primer from NYX, and just put that all over my face and neck before we take the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. You want to get that nice and smooth for our paint application. And finally, let's put this wig cap on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. It is magic. And now we're going to be using these 4 different shades of blue, black, and white. So I chose to go with my main color being this light sky blue color. So I am focusing that on all of the points of my face before I go in with the darker shade of blue and a little bit of black to start the ombre effect. So basically, I just chose the point where I wanted the ombre to start, which is right underneath my eyes, and I go 1 full line of the dark blue, and then I fade it down with my brush, and then I take the NYX Beauty Sponge, dip it in a little bit of the sky blue color that I originally had down, and I just fade that all the way down so it's a nice, beautiful gradient effect. We're going to take a white concealer and prime our eyes before we get started with the eyeshadow. So I am taking an aqua color eyeshadow and putting that all over my lid, and then starting to go darker and darker in my blue shade range. You can use any kind of palette for this as long as they kind of match the same hue as your blue paint. So I'm starting out with a teal, going to kind of a cobalty blue, and then eventually going with a navy and a black. So with that black, we're going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil and line our bottom lash line and then smoke it out with some black eyeshadow. And then we're going to go back into the white concealer and carve out our crease. Today I just carved out half of my eyes, and then I set it with a light blue eyeshadow and then added in that teal color and then some white on the inside of my inner corner. So now we're going to be going in with the NYX Epic Liner Pencil in black and give ourselves a daring magical wing. Before moving on to contour. With my contour shade, I just use a really dark navy blue. You can use whatever color that will enhance your paint, but I'm just contouring out my nose, my cheeks, and underneath my bottom lip to make my lips look more pouty. Alright guys, so in all seriousness, when I filmed this, my eyes could not stop watering. So You just do what you gotta do in makeup. If you make a mistake, you patch it up and you move on. Then take a highlight from the NYX holiday calendar and put that on all of the high points of my face, so my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheeks. All right, now I'm going to take the NYX matte lip liner in Little Denim Dress and put that all over my lips to give them a nice even coat of blue. And then I'm also going to take this blue eyeliner and fill in my brows. All right, so now the fun part, we get to play with glitter. This is actually the Glitter Goals by NYX, and this is the color Diamond Dust. So this stuff is actually really, really cool. You use the wand and it just slides glitter onto your face seamlessly. It is the most amazing thing. I put that on all of the sides of my gradient line that I had on my face. I also went a little crazy and put it above my cut crease in the inner parts of my eye. I put it underneath my inner corner. I put the glitter everywhere, and just wait, there is more glitter to come. And now I'm taking the NYX glitter glue and putting that in very specific parts of my face. I'm putting it on my cheekbone as well as the outer corner of my eyelids, and I am patting on there some very shiny, very sparkly glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby. Finally, we're getting to mascara, and I am choosing to use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara and putting that on both the top and bottom lashes. All right, now I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in color Alien. Oh yeah. All right, so now let's put in a little accessories. This nose ring I got off Amazon, and to help fix our crying mistake, I'm going in with the NYX Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette and using that blue shade and just kind of covering up a little bit of the paint that is withering away from my crying eyes. Then going back in with the glitter, I'm telling you, I couldn't help myself, and I put a glitter line along the middle part of my bottom lip. What kind of look would it be without lashes? And now we're going to put on the rest of my costume, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that was my Tiefling character from Dungeons and Dragons. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys next week at 10 a.m. Bye!